Hey, this is David, and today I am going to show you how to connect and disconnect your VPS. So once you have purchased your VPS, you will receive your IP address, username, and password. If you are a WebAiry customer, you will definitely receive these information through email. Go to search bar and type remote desktop. A remote desktop connection will appear. Click on it and it will ask for the IP address. I'll simply copy this IP address and paste it here, and click show options. And it will ask for the username and password. Now type your username here. I'm going to type same again, administrator. Now click connect. Copy, paste your password, and make sure there will be no space in your username and password. Now you are logged into your desktop and you can start working. For example, I opened Amazon.com over here. Amazon is open, and there is multiple ways to disconnect VPS as well. The first one is like from top bar. You can simply click close button over here. Click on it. Once you do it from the top bar, all the windows will be intact. And if you want to save your connection to an RDP, click on save and go to desktop and name it whatever you want. I name it like UK VPS. Save it. When you click on allow me to save the credential, it will never ask you the credential again once you save it. It is not recommended to do this on the public computer. It is better if you have your own personal laptop or maybe your system, then it will be fine. Otherwise, your password will be compromised. Now click on connect. Now, it is asking for the password again, but this time it's going to save it because we clicked the save button and then clicked it. Again, you are logged into your system. Because we clicked disconnect, see the window is intact. There is another way to disconnect your VPS. Click on the start button and click on this and simply disconnect. This is the same similar disconnect process which you can do. Now I'm going to show you how you can connect through a remote desktop. Click on the saved icon to connect your VPS, and it will not going to ask you for the password. Again, all the windows are intact. Another option which you can utilize over here, if you want to ensure your VPS is secure, we recommend you always sign out. This is because your browser may save your passwords and automatically log you in, which could be a security risk if someone gains access to your VPS. By signing out, you can ensure that your VPS is secure and your information is protected. So the procedure is very simple, and this is how you can access and disconnect your VPS. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask any question in the comment section.